In this video, I'll show you how to get 8 base address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send your base wallet address, what you need to do, you need to come on here, click on this manage crypto, right? Then come on here and type in base. So the base chain is on the Ethereum chain, right? Now click on this, turn it on. Once I've turned it on, you go back. You see that we just added up your base address, right? The base on Ethereum. So this is pretty easy. If someone tells you to send your base address, what you need to do, you need to go there, type in base. Once you have typed in base, you would see a pair that is base and Ethereum, right? Now you're going to on it, and that is how you can copy your base wallet address. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.